I'm Chef Shayla of Chef B Meals. I am going to prepare for you all one of my favorite seafood dishes with an Asian flair. But first, we are here at the Bethesda Central Farmers Market. We're gonna grab all of our ingredients, so let's go. I'm trying to make it. Taco, hi.
Hey, Chef, how you doing?
I'm good, how are you doing?
Good. What you got cooking up today?
Well, today I'm gonna do some, like my favorite seafood dish. Maybe you can help me out.
I can definitely help you out.
I'm sure you can.
So the first thing I'm gonna start you off with is the Jimmy Nardelo pepper.
Wow, these are beautiful.
They are beautiful, and it is arguably the very best sweet pepper you will ever eat.
Okay.
Arguably.
I wanna put you to the test.
All right, well here, you take these.
Thank you.
It's just the right color right there.
I think I'm gonna need a nice garnish. Do you have any like microgreens?
I do have some microgreens.
You do?
Let me show you the celestial salads.
All right.
So the broadleaf in there, that is a borage. It tastes just like cucumber. We've got purple sango radish. We've got red vein sorrel. We've got purple kohlrabi, red acre cabbage.
Beautiful, and all of these are Asian-inspired greens. These are beautiful, thank you. I appreciate it. Good to see you. Hi.
Hey, how's it going, Chef? What brings you in today?
So today I'm preparing an Asian-inspired seafood dish, but I'm not really sure which fish I'm gonna use. I want something locally sourced.
I got a couple different options for you.
Okay.
I have some beautiful, beautiful black sea bass, some flounder as well,
Okay.
and then some rockfish, local from Maryland.
I think I'm gonna go with the bass because I want to prepare the skin crispy.
Gotcha.
And I know that the bass crisps up really nice.
Sounds great.
Okay, great, thank you.
Here's the Thai basil. They freshly picked yesterday.
Okay.
They smell good and they still fresh right now.
Wow, look at these daikons. They're so beautiful. And this is purple daikon and white daikon, correct?
Yes.
So when I shave the purple daikon, will it still be purple on the inside?
It's a mix between purple and white.
Oh, beautiful. I'm always like a kid in the candy store every time I come to a farmer's market, but I think we have everything we need, so let's go get cooking. We have a bounty of items that we got from the farmer's market. So let's get started with our Asian slaw. We're gonna start by julienning our Jimmy Nardelo peppers. Gonna add that into our slaw, which is looking colorful, delicious, and beautiful. We're gonna move on to our carrots and to our daikon. Now for these, we're actually going to use a mandolin, one of my favorite tools to use in the kitchen. The key to a mandolin is to hold it flat on a surface and pray about it so that you don't cut your fingers. Look at that, gorgeous. Look at this Thai basil, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. We're gonna start chopping. We're gonna do a chiffonade. A chiffonade is simply a very fine julienne with extra precision and love. Look at that, beautiful. Beautiful. And I like to cut my scallions on a bias. So last but not least, we're going to make a freestyle version of a vinaigrette. Go ahead and sprinkle some sugar in here. We have rice vinegar, gluten-free soy sauce, and my secret weapon, which is sesame oil. I put it on every Asian dish, whether it belongs or not. Now we're gonna toss our ingredients once more. We're gonna let it sit for a moment and everything mold together, and then we'll start on our fish. We're gonna cut it on a bias, and we're gonna cut 3 slits through it, but only through the skin. Nice light score. Look at that. Nice and crispy, gorgeous. When I cook scallops, I like to give them a nice spin around the pan to make sure that they don't stick. And look at that beautiful brown color we have there, gorgeous. Look at what we have here. The inspiration behind this dish is just fresh and local. This is something that is colorful, full of flavor, and you can literally cook this in 30 minutes or less. So here you have it, our beautiful crispy sea bass, scallops, Asian slaw. Visit mpt.org/farm for the recipe. And now I have to have a taste. Guys, seriously, you have to try this recipe. Thank you so much for letting me cook with you all today, and I'll see you next time.
Be sure to check out mpt.org/farm for all our recipes and resources. Plus, you can watch all Farm and Harvest episodes there as well. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for show updates, pictures, and videos.